Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues that we have to divide into 4 connected groups of 4. Now it feels like these 4 are all connected. They all come from pods or something like that, or plants. They're the only 4 edible things anyway. Let's see if it's a group. Oh, it's one away, that's quite annoying. I should not have taken the risk. Okay. So mundane, dull, boring, dry. Those are all synonyms. Oh dear, routine probably instead of dry. Oh, this is going very wrong very quickly. Okay, I'm down to my last life. Okay, right. I was thinking dry would probably be with dirty. But so that's why I took dry out and put routine in that group. But clearly, that was foolish. Right, this requires a lot more thought then. An act, a routine, a set, and a bit. Surely this will be correct. Phew. Now, mundane and dull and boring, those are definitely together. Surely. But I put dry in that group, didn't I? And I also put routine in that group. Well, we know it's not routine anymore. So what is it going to be? I also tried the 4 drinks, and only 3 of those are correct. I mean, I suppose I did put vanilla in the drinks. Maybe it is just drinks. Mate? Is that a drink? Mate? Am I thinking of matcha? I'm not sure. Oh, vanilla is another synonym for boring, isn't it? So that'll be in the boring group. So is it these 4? Then vanilla is in the boring group. But that would leave these. Well, possibly it would leave these 3 plus one of the others from the boring group. So twist, up, dirty. That feels quite unlikely. But it has to be correct, doesn't it? It has to be these 3. Plus either dry, boring, mundane, or dull. And I actually have no idea which, because I don't know what links these. That's a bit of a shame. To be fair, as I said, it could be these 3. It doesn't have to be with mate. But could it be with twist? Dirty martini is a thing, and so is a coffee martini. But I don't know if a tea martini and a cocoa martini are things. That would leave up and twist to go with one of the mundane things. Oh, a dry martini. Oh, dry could go with dirty, couldn't it? But then it still has to be, it has to be these 3, doesn't it? Because I tried these 3 plus vanilla, because I thought they were the only food-related ones. And it said I was 1 away. And now I'm thinking that vanilla actually goes in the boring group, which means that these 3 had to have been correct. Oh, I'm now completely second-guessing myself. Let's go for these 4. I've got to go for something. Right, those are the boring synonyms. So it's definitely these 3. And one of the others, and I do not know which. I'm still leaning towards mate. I feel like I've heard that in the context of coffee, but I don't know why. Dry, twist, up. I mean, up. I've got no idea what up is. I'm just going to have to take a gamble. And they are drinks with caffeine. So what are all of these? They are martini. I've just never heard of an up martini. That was the problem. Right, so once I actually started thinking about that, it went a lot better. Those first 3 guesses, which were all wrong, clearly I should have spent more time thinking about it, and I wouldn't have run into their red herrings. but I rescued the situation, which is nice, and that is just about a success. So that is the Connections game. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.